Today, Amir Khan be like, आज मेरे पास सितारे जमीन पर है, तारे जमीन पर है, गजनी 2 है. Meanwhile, Ajay Devgan be like, मेरे पास माँ है. That's because today, Ma is releasing, Nikita Roy is releasing. Both of those films we're going to talk about the trailers of because we haven't seen the film actually. But we have seen Sitare Zameen Par, the review of which is coming up in this episode. I'm Andrish Thakkar. Welcome to another episode of Pop Conversation. I'm joined by
Snail and Aja.
And today, as I mentioned, we are talking about Sitare Zameen Par, Nikita Roy and Ma.
आपने नोटिस करा माँ के ट्रेलर में जितने लोगों के भी नाम है उन सबका मिडिल नेम जो है वो उनकी मदर का नाम है.
Oh, crazy. I did not know that. How do you know that? Did you go and
No, because in
Google
the end
search?
it comes Ajay Revati Devgan.
Oh, is
exactly,
it?
yeah.
He's like he's never called himself that before.
Yeah.
So
Oh.
then
So I think ट्रेलर के लिए ही किया होगा है मेरा.
It's a great week for nepotism, man. Kajol in Ajay Devgan movie. Also, it's a movie
But
called.
Ajay
A
is not
military-
Kajol's father. No, he's her husband.
Oh, do you think nepotism is only father related?
Isn't
father
it?
son? No, of course not.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. What if your brother gives you a job as a movie director? That's nepotism, dude. And
Okay.
how do you not think that is?
I don't know. I just assumed.
Oh, you. Oh, you. Okay.
No. Anyway, never mind.
Okay.
Because ये मैंने भी पढ़ा था that even friendships count as nepotism.
It does,
And
actually,
when
yeah.
I mentioned this to someone who I was working with, they were like, ऐसा थोड़ी होता है, ऐसे तो किसी को कभी काम मिलेगा ही नहीं, दोस्त ही तो दोस्त को
correct.
रेफर करते हैं. तो
Correct.
उसके
Yeah.
बाद मुझे लगा कि
Familial nepotism is the problem. Friendly
Familial,
nepotism,
yeah,
not really. People are very pro for
मेरे को पता है
friendly
starting में लगा
nepotism.
कि ये familiar को familial बोल दिया है इसने.
Familial.
what's the other nepotistic?
अरे कुश सिन्हा and
Oh, right,
Yeah, bro.
yeah, Sonakshi
Kush
Sinha,
Sinha
that's
is
true,
the
yeah.
director
Yeah.
of the Nikita Roy movie.
खुश.
So let's get
कुश
to.
तो बहुत हो गए तो.
और तुम्हें आज बहुत लव हो रहा होगा. हाँ?
क्यों लव रंजन की कौन सी फिल्म आ रही है?
नहीं, लव और कुश उसके भाई हैं. Sorry. Sonakshi Sinha's brother. Sorry, love and kush. That's it. Okay. Let's get to then the first two horror
Yes,
movies.
but we should clarify that because this is releasing on the day that
Oh, yes, absolutely.
Nikita Roy and Ma are releasing. We are recording this 2 days before, so we
Yes.
haven't seen the movies.
Yes.
So we'll do our best. We'll review the trailers.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
But Sitare Zameen Par, which released last week,
Yeah.
that we will review today, a week later.
Yes, correct. Were you guys... okay, we'll come to Sitare afterwards.
yes.
Let's first finish talking about Nikita Roy and Ma.
But even before that,
yes.
let's do a couple of announcements जो हमने पिछले एपिसोड में
I
end
thought
में
Okay.
ये last
Wow,
last
so
की तरह
much.
फिर से बोलेगा.
Yeah.
But are you a member?
But that is also
I like this.
true. Please,
I like
please.
this. We have now teased 3 different things, and just when we're about to get to each of them,
But before that,
not before that.
But before that,
This is so anticlimactic.
bro,
Please buy our membership. Okay, moving on. Is that,
नहीं, but we have a new member also, no?
Oh, we
So
do have a new
हमारी जो
member.
प्रथा है उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमें उस मेंबर का नाम भी तो लेना है ना.
अरे,
नाम है,
nice.
प्रथा नाम है member का.
नहीं.
that would be amazing. Though. Welcome, Pratha. Welcome to the channel. Thank you.
हमें पिछले वीक एक नया मेंबर मिला है एंड उस नए मेंबर का नाम है डैनियल पठान. झूमे जो पठान.
Wow, dude.
Thanks, Daniel.
Daniel Wellington.
मतलब मैंने पहली भाई सॉरी ठीक है मतलब रियली सॉरी बट जब मैंने पहली बार नाम में कहा दनियाल क्या नाम है.
Daniel नाम भी होता है वैसे.
नहीं भाई. क्या?
क्या
I've heard
ब्रो
Daniel
सॉरी
नाम भी
अगर
होता है.
सच में तुम्हारा नाम दनियाल है. आई डोंट नो.
I mean, spelling क्या है? Daniel spelling है ना?
नहीं सो DANIYAL.
Yeah, that's Daniel.
That's Daniel.
Yeah.
Oh, that's Daniel. Sorry, Daniel.
Sorry, Daniel. Sorry, we made you cool for 2 seconds. Now you're back to Daniel.
Daniel. Dude, every time, why do we make fun of everyone's names?
Yeah, man. The moment we announce
Yeah.
them, they are a member. The next thing we do is roast them.
Welcome. Thank you.
Welcome,
Daniel.
Daniel, bro.
That's actually, it's his fault. Come on, dude.
He's literally
Not on
spelled
us.
his name
Yeah.
out as it's pronounced. But we were like, hey, can't be Daniel. Has to be Daniel.
Oh my god. Okay.
I'm so sorry, dude. Dude,
No,
and,
welcome,
like,
welcome.
Because you're talking about like listeners, the other day.
See, if this was Sitare Zameen Par, it would have been a teachable moment. Someone would have taught Amir Khan like, सबका अपना अपना
नॉर्मल
normal
होता है.
सबके
तुम्हारा
नाम अपने
नॉर्मल
अपने
डैनियल है उसका नॉर्मल दनियाल है.
Daniel. Yeah.
Bro fuck yes.
उसका normal धन्नो.
We're making it worse. Let's move
Sorry,
on.
yeah, ठीक है.
Yeah.
By like talking about listeners, the other day I got a text from Gulshan Atal. I guess.
Okay.
Gulshan
Are you
Atal,
sure
yes.
it's not Atlee?
No, Gulshan Atal. And उसके नाम के आगे चमगादड़ भी बना हुआ है एक. ठीक है.
Man, Gulshan could have gone so many other cool
Yeah.
directions like Gulshan
Gulshan
Grover,
Atal.
Gulshan Devaiya.
और उसका
Gulshan Kumar.
हैंडल, चलो हैंडल नहीं बताता, लोग स्पैम ना कर. भाई उसने मेरे को पता है क्या लिखा है, कहता है I used to watch all three of you on IVM YouTube channel, तो तुम लोग बहुत सही कर रहे थे वगैरह वगैरह. मुझे आज पता चला कि तुम दूसरा चैनल भी कर रहे हो, लिटरली. ठीक है. एंड देन इज लाइक, डोंट माइंड मी सेइंग दैट बट यू गाइस आर शिट एट मार्केटिंग. क्योंकि मुझे पता ही नहीं था और मैं तो लिस्नर था.
He's not
Bro,
wrong.
You know
and the
what?
thing
Yeah,
is,
he's
not
100%
wrong.
right, dude. He's 100% right.
I literally replied by saying क्या था, मैंने लिखा, मैं कहा भाई तू सही कह रहा है, बट हम 3 ही लोग हैं, हम कितना like we're trying as much as
Gulshan,
possible.
you can be our messenger and
Yes,
spread the word
spread
to
the
other
word.
people who you think
Spread our
don't know.
gospel.
Spread
I-
our
I said the exact same thing and then he said bro मुझे लगा तू reply नहीं करेगा. And then फिर उसके बाद मैंने उसे reply नहीं किया.
Has it?
I was like, I should meet
Yeah,
his
dude.
expectations somewhere.
Yeah,
at
correct.
least.
Hey, bad marketing. I know, bro. I thought you wouldn't reply. That's it.
That's it.
कभी ऐसा हो तुम लोग को फैन का डीएम आया हो and you saw the notification of the DM coming but then you think if I answer
एकदम से reply कर दूंगा.
you're like कितना बेल आदमी है यार ये कि मैं तो इसका फैन था मैं सोचता था
I mean,
कि busy है.
you do
so then
think
you
that.
wait out purposely
Yeah.
for like half an hour and then
And then you forget to reply.
And then the other person is like, क्या
What-
भाई
what a
साला,
भाई, what the fuck?
3000 सब्सक्राइबर ही तो है. मैं
And the other,
सोचता कि अपने आप को.
the other person is like, wow, I thought he wouldn't reply. And he didn't reply.
He did
He's living up to my expectation. That's nice. But no, we do try to reply to everyone.
Yes. Also, again, totally skipped our mind. By the way, this episode we are completing a year of existence. One whole year.
one calendar year and people still don't know we have another
Still don't know that we started doing our own podcast.
That's cool.
but
right?
congrats guys yeah 1 year
Yeah,
anniversary
wow.
yes
Wow. So this awkward handshake, yeah, nice.
Yeah.
This is the perfect pace to do it, of course.
To you guys also.
Yes, nice.
party
High five.
after party we'll put the details
Yes.
but there's another announcement not announcement
Wait, yet another announcement?
update
Huh,
slash
update,
announcement
yes.
You're
is
pregnant,
that yeah that's the first one yeah I'm expecting in August but the other one is that we're planning to do an AMA episode which
Oh,
is
yes.
which stands for Ask Me Anything. So in case you guys have any questions that you want us to answer, please send in the questions at filmicolada at gmail.com. Some of you have already started sending questions, but we
Yeah.
can do with a lot more.
Yeah.
So whether it's about pop culture, whether it's about something from our lives that you want to know, you can
Yes.
send in the
And
questions.
one question, though, has repeatedly been asked already, which is has
When
it
is
age
Hazard Age Well coming?
coming
yeah.
back?
Yeah. So apart from that,
Yeah, apart from that, if you have any other questions also,
हाँ,
please
आप
send.
कमेंट भी कर सकते हो, आप ईमेल भी
Yes.
कर सकते हो,
Yes.
डीएम कर सकते हो. क्लियरली हम लोग देख ही लेते हैं.
उसका जवाब हम देंगे एपिसोड पे देंगे.
For sure.
So yeah, send those questions to us.
Yes.
Coming to what we teased in the beginning of the episode, Ma and Nikita Roy.
Jinx. Now you can't
Nice.
speak on the episode at all.
Oh shit. Okay, Ma and Nikita Roy. We saw the trailers.
To
Yeah, to both of them.
rare occurrence where that's the same genre is going against pitting.
But
against
I
each other.
think
That's advantages.
the Nikita Roy one is a creature.
Acha.
But Ma also looks like a creature, dude.
But that's more ghostly. Like
हाँ.
they're driving
Both
through
are,
the
I think, both
woods.
are like kind of that only.
अच्छा, okay.
And also, like, I think Nikita Roy looks more like a, like hallucination kind of.
Thriller sort of a
Yeah,
situation.
thriller,
no?
like
Yeah,
where
हाँ.
your eyes play tricks on you because it's like it seems to be some kind of like a exploration of a cult like figure, a cult leader like figure, which is in
हाँ,
Paresh
हाँ.
Rawal's character.
Which is yes, Paresh Rawal.
And-
ये है टाइम करने का है. फिर
फिर हेरा नहीं कर रहे हैं, yes, correct. Yeah.
So one of my friends is in Nikita Roy, Suhail. Suhail. And Suhail ने जब उसका पोस्टर डाला, instead of I'm so stupid, instead of congratulating that oh you're coming out with the film, I messaged it. I'm like, hey इसको बोल ना हेरा फेरी 3 करे. क्यों नहीं?
वही हंसा रहेगा वो.
And he just reacted to my message.
और
and
क्या
left
करेगा
it.
वो?
And I'm
He's like, हाँ,
shit,
correct.
dude. Lame, but yeah.
But yeah, so what do you guys
Big
think?
ups, Suhail. Big ups.
Let's start with Nikita Roy. What do you guys think of
I'm
Nikita?
assuming Sonakshi's character is called Nikita Roy in the movie, is it?
Yeah, it
Yeah,
says
I think,
in and as.
I think it's Paresh Rawal's character actually.
the
Nikita-
poster
Nikita ji.
literally says in
Arey,
and
I
as.
haven't seen the poster as closely as you, man.
Ciao.
Yeah, just because your friend is in the movie.
Yeah.
How
Yeah.
many? How intently did you see the poster of Boomer?
Bro, it's so intently कि मैंने उसकी celebrity को podcast में बुला लिया.
और वो गया ही नहीं उसके बाद.
ओ मैं उसकी बात कर रहा था.
Sayami.
Sayami की.
Should I start? I saw the trailer of Nikita Roy. I have to say, Antariksh hyped it up a lot, like he
Oh,
does
yeah, it
with
was
most
interesting,
things.
yeah.
He was like, Nikita Roy's trailer is amazing.
Trailer's
Yeah.
pretty
It's
good, man.
okay.
Pretty well
it
done.
I liked Paresh Rawal. He seems to be very well cast in the role that he's playing.
Yeah.
It reminded me of this Hollywood movie called The Pope's Exorcist, which has
Oh, bro, I love the film, bro.
Russell Crowe.
That's one of
Oh,
the
the
few
recent one.
horror films that I've watched.
Yeah, so he has two. One was called The Pope's Exorcist, and then one was called, I think, The Last Exorcism, which
Oh.
also has Russell Crowe.
Oh.
So he did both these movies back to back. I don't know if they are sequels or not, but
Okay.
yeah, it seems like he's doing some sort of exorcism, जिसमें वो लोगों के शरीर में से आत्मा टाइप जो भी है कुछ निकाल रहा है. And it seems to be like, yeah, Sonakshi is playing a kind of she's solving some mystery.
Yeah, the
through
Buster.
something. The Buster?
The Ghostbuster.
अच्छा, Ghostbuster.
Yeah, in a way, correct. Or like the Mythbuster.
Ah,
All
the
Mythbuster.
Mythbuster, yes.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So I don't know. It looked a little cheap, the production quality and everything, especially in front of Ma. But I don't know. It might be a surprise.
Dude,
hit.
the thing
is
has Kush have made a
I'm
film
not-
before?
That's a good
Not
question.
sure, not sure, not sure.
Not sure.
But the thing is कि एक चीज जो निकिता रॉय के ट्रेलर में अलग है बाकी आजकल के जो हम ट्रेलर देख रहे हैं उनमें से इट इज नॉट रिवीलिंग अ हेल लॉट ऑफ information. Yes.
Yeah.
In comparison, Ma reveals a lot.
reveals a lot.
अब जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल सितारे ज़मीन पर के बारे में हम बात करेंगे उसके ट्रेलर में क्वाइट लिटरली द स्टोरी थी.
हाँ, exactly.
Like now that we've
Yeah.
seen the
Yeah,
film,
that's
the
true.
trailer
Yeah.
had the entire story.
story.
Yeah.
Right.
Also,
So,
not even that. Trailers of other movies,
other films also.
which is the original movies, also had the
Yeah.
entire story.
So
Yeah,
exactly
was
with Nikita Roy, I think there is there is still a lot more to figure out. Movie देखने पे जो हमें पता
absolutely.
चलेगा.
I must say, I watched the theater. I watched Sitare Zameen Par yesterday,
Okay.
and just before the movie played,
Nikita
the
Roy ka
trailer
trailer
of
played.
Nikita Roy came out.
Okay.
Was shown, and dude, in the theater, in a dark, like completely dark theater, it was fucking. I thought the theater
That's
was.
why you liked it, because
it was great.
you had the atmosphere. to
Exactly
go with
right.
it.
Yeah. So and you know, like the sound effects and all the dark screens actually
For sure,
make
for sure,
sense.
yes.
Not unlike what Abbas saw it on my computer screen right now in a
Yeah.
completely well lit room. It won't have the same
Yeah,
effect.
but still surrounded by horrors, namely Snehal
Horrifying
and
people. Yes.
Antariksh.
Yes.
तुझे कैसा लगा स्नेहिल?
नहीं मतलब अगेन मैं तो ऑलमोस्ट जब तक
अच्छा, तेरा
पिक्चर
पिक्चर में दोस्त है तो
दी एंड ना हो जाए तब तक मैं पिक्चर को लेके होपफुल
What
रहता हूँ
if,
कि
like,
कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा हो ही जाएगा उसमें.
What if by the time this episode comes out, the reviews are already like horrible and we are like,
I mean, we saw the
It's
trailer.
fine, we saw the trailer. हम लोग बार बार बोल रहे हैं कि हमने ट्रेलर देखा है अभी तक सिर्फ.
correct?
And Snehal का दोस्त है तो अच्छा एक्टिंग तो कर ही लेगा bro.
हाँ bro.
हाँ, वो तो है.
Brother.
Any idea what role he's playing in the movie?
सोनाक्षी's friend.
दिखाया तो पूरे
okay.
dude entire ट्रेलर में.
अरे
he's
ठीक
there.
है यार, I don't know what all people are playing. It's okay.
Oh, अच्छा.
I know Sonakshi is playing the main lead and Paresh Rawal is the second lead. That's all I grasp.
Paresh Rawal
Is the villain,
probably the
bro.
villain. Yeah.
हाँ तो whatever,
And,
second lead.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
Sohail is playing Sonakshi's friend.
Okay.
Yeah.
And there's also this boy.
Arjun Rampal.
Arjun Rampal in the film.
Oh, okay.
क्या हो गया भाई आपने साथ ही देखा है
क्या कर रहा है?
ओ तो ऐसे कर रहे हो जैसे
Oh.
अभी पता चल रहा है
What
आपको?
was Arjun Rampal in the movie?
वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ अभी अपने को फिगर आउट करने को मिलेगा ना पिक्चर में बाबा. स्विफ्टली मूव फॉरवर्ड करके
So
मार के
I can guess. I have some guesses.
Yeah.
I kind of guess what Arjun Rampal's character is.
Yeah.
So you know, like in movies which talk about like, for instance, the Zodiac. If you've seen
Yeah.
Yes,
Zodiac
yes,
by David Fincher.
Yeah.
In that, Robert Downey Jr.'s character is the kind of the elder statesman of in the journalist
okay. Yeah.
who has been investigating this case for years and has
Oh,
hit a dead end
समझ गया,
or
समझ
something.
गया. Yeah.
I think that's what Arjun Rampal's character is. So he'll be like the guy who introduces
Sonakshi's mentor.
mentor in a way.
mentor. Basically, Sonakshi through some chain of events will reach Arjun Rampal and be like कि मुझे इसके बारे में कुछ जानना नहीं, like इसमें मत पढ़ो, मैं अपने पूरी जिंदगी इसमें
Yes,
खराब
correct.
कर चुका हूँ.
Yes.
But she's like नहीं, मुझे तो जानना है, मेरा दोस्त मर सकता है.
देखो
And
तुम
then-
जानते नहीं हो what you're getting into, you know.
Yes.
Things are bigger than you think. they
Exactly,
are.
exactly. And then the creature is actually
yes.
bigger than Sonakshi.
Yeah.
But then Sonakshi is like, but nothing can be more horrifying than the fact that Arjun Rampal has a national award.
Oh, is it? I mean, it,
In Rock One, Arjun Rampal is not a bad actor.
Yeah, he's not a bad actor.
Yeah, it's fine.
He's not a bad actor. He's a bad actor.
No,
Saif Ali Khan also has a national award.
Yes, Saif Ali Khan is a legit good actor.
But the movie that he got that award
Hum
for,
Tum.
Hum Tum.
I agree.
ठीक है. And
But
then Akshay,
लड़की क्यों न जाने क्यों लड़कों सी नहीं होती.
yeah, bro, that is the question.
that is the question of
That is the question. That is the
year.
information paradox that
That is a question that
Hawkins
most
was
people
working on.
ask their mother. Speaking of mothers.
mothers.
Ma.
Speaking of man-childs,
Yeah.
माँ
Yeah.
का ट्रेलर भी देखा हमने.
तुझे सब है
पता है ना
तारे
माँ,
जमीन पर
ऐसा
प्रिय
एक भी ट्रैक नहीं था तारे
जमीन पर
But
पे,
coming
हाँ.
back to Ma,
Yes.
what did you think of the trailer Ma? Trailer of Ma.
Man, actually, fucking very interesting. I just wished they had not revealed so much. I think Ajay Devgan goes overboard when it comes to length of trailers, famously now.
भाई ये तो
After
छोटा
Singham.
ट्रेलर था, 2.25 मिनट का ही था.
भाई, ये उसमें
सिंघम
भी
वाला
लगा.
तो 4 मिनट का था.
Correct, but उसमें भी लगा. See, why reveal the story at all? Just tease it enough. Show me a good few visuals from the movie, like that where she's driving, telling her daughter, "Okay, beta, we'll get to a hotel, we'll take care of your thing," and
What's the thing?
her first period, man.
Oh, okay.
Why? Why the fuck was that? You know exactly what you thought you stumped me. Like, oh, Antriksh won't be able to say this.
So I was reading about Ma, the movie,
Yeah.
and it is being reported that it is based on the story of the mythological story of Ma Kali and Rakt Beej.
Acha.
ठीक है. So have you heard of the story?
No, I'm not.
No, just remind me. I think I have, but I don't.
हाँ,
recall
so
it.
बेसिकली बहुत दो तीन लाइन में बताने की कोशिश करता हूँ कि एक ऐसा टाइम था जब असुर और देव जो थे वो एट
Yeah,
वॉर
yeah,
थे.
yeah.
एंड देव और असुर जब एट वॉर थे तो असुरों में से एक ऐसा राक्षस आया जिसका नाम था रक्त बीज. तो वहाँ पे बेसिकली देव जो है उनको थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था उसको हराने में, क्योंकि जहाँ से भी वो उसको काटते थे या मारते थे या कुछ भी, जहाँ पे भी उसका ब्लड का ड्रॉप गिरता था वहाँ से एक नया राक्षस आ जाता था.
Oh,
Okay.
Hence
like
रक्त बीज.
like Hydra.
जहाँ
Rakt
पे-
means blood, right?
रक्त मीन्स ब्लड, बीज ऑब्वियसली मीन्स सीड. कि जहाँ पे भी उसका रक्त
खून गिरे.
गिरता था वहां से एक नया राक्षस आ जाता था. तो सारे देवों ने अपनी शक्ति जो थी वो मिलाई
मिला के
and
they
मिला
made
के
goddess Kali.
they made goddess Kali, which was the most
Destroyer.
fierce
Yeah.
रूप of माँ दुर्गा. एंड उसमें फिर जब माँ काली ने लड़ाई करी रक्तबीज के साथ, तो जहाँ जहाँ पे वो उनको रक्तबीज को मारती थी उसका ब्लड गिरने से पहले ही वो जीप पे लेके उसको निगल लेती थी. तो ब्लड कभी जमीन पे गिरा ही नहीं तो नया राक्षस आया नहीं. हेंस यू सी द
Red
red
tongue. Yeah,
tongue
yeah,
and
yeah.
everything.
That's awesome.
So this
Yeah, I
is
know
the
that.
story of Ma Kali and Rakt Beej.
So that's what the transformation that we see happening is her becoming Ma Kali,
So आप
probably.
उसमें ट्रेलर में एक सीन नहीं है जहाँ पे वो एक कपड़ा उतारती है और पीछे एक मूर्ति होती है. आई थिंक दैट
That's
इज
Ma
माँ
Kali's-
काली
okay,
की
wow,
मूर्ति.
crazy.
सो इट इज बीइंग सेड कि ये उस स्टोरी से इंस्पायर्ड है.
There's also some element of human sacrifice, like Ronit
Yeah,
Roy has
sure,
that
yeah,
one line.
yeah.
correct.
कि लड़कियों को sacrifice किया जाता. There's a lot of that kind of stuff also in a lot of ancient Indian folklore and
Yes, yes.
history. So yeah, but I agree. They seem to have shown a lot. Like there's
Yeah.
one scene where Kajol is wrapped up in some sort of a mummy-like thing, which seems like it's a scene from like the third act of the movie. And yeah, if you start
But
showing
even things like her saying कि मेरी बेटी को लेके जाना चाहते हो, something like that, similar
हाँ,
to that.
बेसिकली कि
Why
तुम
do we
अपने
need all
गांव
that in
का
the
शराब
trailer?
जो है वो मेरी बेटी को
Yeah.
मेरी बेटी से क्यों खत्म
We don't need that in the
चाहते हो?
trailer, dude.
Yeah.
Just show me in the movie. It's way more intriguing if it's in the movie. We've understood.
yeah.
We understood the setting. We've understood the
Yes,
atmosphere. We are
yes.
already intrigued.
Yeah,
That's enough.
and just by like the 1 minute of trailer se we can understand that your entire movie will revolve around the fact that you as a mother are gonna save your daughter. Is gonna gonna save your daughter. That's it.
But
That
I
is the
think
plot.
we are in that minority where we don't want to know everything. Where हमको सिर्फ tease करके छोड़ दो हम.
Dude, I
हमको
don't
वो-
think we are in the minority.
No, I think a lot of people were like कि तो क्या है क्या मतलब हुआ? They want to see it spelled
Oh,
out.
people want to
Oh,
know
that
what
way.
the
What
movie
it is.
entirely
What they are
they're getting
into.
into.
Yeah, what they are
what they're
getting
Uh,
into. Yeah.
One thing I did like a lot in the trailer was again the very first scene where they're driving, the daughter's in the back looking for the hotel, and suddenly from the side of the window
Yeah.
that creature or what have you comes at them. Fucking that was so well done.
उस जगह पे दौत्यो है.
That's probably when the accident happens, right? Because Kajol you can see moving away from the steering wheel.
So I'm assuming this is also set somewhere in Bengal. right?
Bengal,
It's in-
yeah, because everybody's having a
Yeah.
very thick Bengali accent.
Yeah.
Yes,
Well,
Ronit
and
Roy, correct? Yeah.
Like Bhool Bhulaiya 3 was also set in Bengal.
Oh,
I
yes, you're right.
haven't seen it.
They're definitely Bengalis, right? If I'm-
Yeah, मतलब Manjulika is a
Oh, they're
Bengali.
Bengali, yes, you're right. Yeah,
Yeah.
correct. Yeah.
So yeah, no offense to Bengalis, but get your shit together, man. It's like
Yeah.
Like Bengal,
what's
bro.
what's
like,
with what's with all the
quite
vaulting?
literally, I think Bengalis have been going through this their entire life of like the black magic
Black magic,
stereotype,
yeah.
which
Oh,
was actually the main plot of Bhool Bhulaiya 2.
Okay.
Like Tabu gets into black magic.
Oh, okay, cool.
Manjulika. Anyway, let's
I've always
not
been fascinated by black magic, by the way.
bro.
It's crazy.
Bro, ये सब बोला भी मत करो, मेरे को डर लगने लगता है कि वो ऐसे बोलो भी इस बारे में तो फिर ऐसा बोलते हैं कि
मजाक
वो
कर रहा है कि सच बोल रहा है?
No,
effect
bro,
होने
but
लगता है
genuinely,
आपके
like
ऊपर.
what he's saying is a common belief that if you talk about it a lot, or if you talk about
तुम्हारे ऊपर हो जाएगा.
a person who does this a lot, they get to know and then they can actually like
Yeah.
get to you.
Crazy,
Yeah,
dude.
so swiftly, let's move
Yes.
on. But you,
Okay,
I'm
guys,
assuming
ये खूनी मंडे का podcast नहीं है.
Yeah, what the fuck? Why are you guys actually believe this shit? This is crazy.
Bro, I believe this shit.
Oh man.
I am 110% believer in this.
No, not at all, dude. But I don't know the name of someone who practices black magic to test this. So
yeah, because I don't want you to know their name.
that's it, man.
Yeah,
That's the problem.
exactly. Yes.
That is the problem. Come on our show. Talk to us.
नहीं bro, मतलब देख मतलब I don't want to go into all that, but ये मतलब भूतिया चीजें ये सब तो एक वो होता है. Like I have heard of stories where जैसे वो कहते हैं वो तुम्हारी रोजी रोटी बांध देते हैं, तो मतलब तुम्हारी मतलब not that I'm making much money
Oh
now,
shit!
but like
Is that why I don't make enough money, dude?
भाई
मतलब
मेरा
ये
कल
सब
ही एक freelance खत्म हुआ है, dude.
That's
भाई
why.
किसी के
किसी
पास
ने
मेरी
बांध दिया.
गुड़िया उड़िया है
किसी ने बांध
बोल
दिया.
दो भाई मेरे पास
भाई.
रेंट देने के वैसे नहीं है.
ये रोजी रोटी मेरी है.
तो हाँ ये सब मतलब ये सब सोच के फिर मेरे को बहुत डर लगता है कि वो एक्चुअली तुम्हारी लाइफ पे अफेक्ट कर रहे हैं whatever. But anyway, will you be watching Ma in theaters?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yes, for sure.
Like अभी
But
recently
Ma और Nikita Roy.
both.
Yeah,
I would say.
I'll watch Nikita Roy. If it's good, I'll watch it on streaming.
Okay, fair enough. I get it. That's fair. But anyway, so enough about Ma. Enough about Nikita Roy. Anything?
Yeah,
any
talking
closing
about streaming. Let's talk about someone who hates it.
and
Yeah.
and a movie
And-
that will never probably show up on
Yeah.
the traditional streaming of the
Traditional
YouTube.
streaming platforms, and apparently rejected a 120 crore deal from Amazon Prime.
Is that right?
मतलब
Must be.
like
I can
the,
believe that.
the buzz is that.
But why does he not want his movie to make money?
Because he wants a theatrical run to happen,
Yeah.
and then post that he wants VOD, video on demand money, and then it can go on streaming.
So he wants to go back to the older method. of,
Yeah. So he मतलब there was a buzz कि वो YouTube पे pay and
VOD,
watch करेगा.
that's what he'll do a VOD thing.
Okay then, let's get to Sitare Zameen Par properly. Were you guys when you saw the trailer of the movie then coming
Yeah.
to this thing, were you excited?
I mean,
Did it actually build-
We discussed the
on
trailer,
this.
Yes.
yes.
And I remember saying that it has got a very Raju Hirani feel. And
Yes,
I feel
absolutely.
it's going
And
to be
movie
really
also
big.
did that. Movie also
Yeah.
had that.
And I
We
said,
all were very positive
we
about.
were quite positive
Yeah.
about it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cut to.
Cut to 3 weeks later, guys.
Okay, can I go first? I'll give a brief
Yeah.
opinion.
पहले
Then you
पहले
can-
plot बता दो
Sure.
picture का.
Okay,
तीन
so the
line.
film
Yeah.
it's a official remake
Yeah.
of
Yeah.
a Spanish movie called Championes, which was then remade into Champions with Woody Harrelson in Hollywood also, and now it's being adapted in Hindi. Basically, it's about this basketball coach who is very who is very जो सड़ू से खड़ूस से लोग जो होते हैं, who just don't like anything. They are
Yeah.
very jaded in life.
They're like good at their job, but
Yeah, but
they
they're
bad
not
at bad
yeah,
people.
Bad
All
people in
yeah.
personal life. So the people he works with don't like him. His wife has left him because she wants a kid, but he doesn't want a kid because his dad was not good to him. So he thinks that having kids is a waste of time. and he happens to get in a physical altercation with a senior coach, and he goes into drunk driving, does an accident, is in court, gets community service, जहाँ पे उनको ये सज़ा दी जाती है कम्युनिटी सर्विस की कि आपको जो इंटेलेक्चुअली डिसेबल्ड बच्चे हैं, because you're a basketball coach, you can coach them for a little
basketball
while.
tournament.
A little while you can coach them. When he goes there, he finds out that the dean of that place has actually enrolled them in a competition. So then, as we all expected through the trailer, and the film literally spells it out when Amir Khan's character says कि असल में मैं इनका कोच नहीं, ये मेरे कोच
हैं, of course. Yeah,
Through-
very cliche.
through
तो हो
वो
रहा था.
बहुत इरिटेटिंग था.
Yeah.
But anyway.
that last this thing, that last speech
Yeah,
that he
was
gave.
quite-
He basically,
Yeah.
the director basically said, चलो
जिनका-
पिक्चर का
yeah.
सार 2 लाइन में बताओ.
Correct. जिनका दिल इतना बड़ा हो, उसमें कोई कमी कैसे हो सकती
So yeah, through him teaching these kids, he realizes that man, loving life. These people are so like they don't have the privileges that we have, but still they love life. They love each other and they know how to get along with each other. So maybe I can learn something from
Yes.
them, and he applies it to the other
Yeah.
aspects of his life as well through a basketball tournament. So I went in with high expectations for.
basketball tournament.
Yeah, apparently Snehal said that he didn't
Hey,
plan.
wow, I didn't see Scooby Doo in the movie though. That's nice, dude.
Yeah.
Bro, तभी तो मैंने यहाँ तक पिलो रखा. Basket. Okay, continue.
Well, the color scheme is also mystery machine. Nice. I
Yeah,
like it.
of course. Yeah.
I went in with high expectations. I remember saying in the trailer review also that I think this film is going to be a blockbuster. It's a family entertainer. It is promoting itself as a family entertainer. The film is okay. Like,
Yeah.
it's not.
The film
great.
is okay, yes.
It's not bad. I liked it better than Lal Singh Chadha, but my main problem with the film is it's one note throughout.
Exactly, very flat.
Yes.
There is
No
just
ups and downs, really.
no ups
Yes.
and downs.
Just very flat.
Intentionally, it's
Yeah.
a feel-good movie, so everything is feel-good. The problems are introduced; they are solved 2 scenes later with no.
भाई
sort of-
2 सीन भी बहुत ज्यादा
उसी-
हो
उसी
गया
scene में
आपने.
कभी-कभी.
Dude, one more
उसी
thing.
सीन में.
One more thing, right, is that there are a lot of things we'll talk about everything.
Yeah.
So one more problem बोल दो, जो भी बोल दो, one more gripe I have with the movie is that if it's an underdog story, you can't show them winning from the very first match, right? There has to be
Yeah,
some kind of a
yeah,
training
has to be
arc,
some
some
low
kind of
points.
like low
Yeah, yeah,
points,
yeah,
then
yeah.
you like rise above that.
The thing is
You
कि
can't
conflict
just
नहीं
win
था
it.
उस पिक्चर में.
Yeah.
पता है एक आपको बहुत सही कोइंसिडेंस बताऊं. अभी बहुत ही रिसेंटली आई थिंक क्वाइट लिटरली आई थिंक पैरेलल टू द रिलीज ऑफ सितारे जमीन पर ही बमन ईरानी का पॉडकास्ट आया है.
अच्छा.
ठीक है.
राज शमानी के साथ.
आई थिंक राज शमानी के साथ ही आया है. एंड उसके अंदर राज शमानी लिटरली पूछ रहा है बमन ईरानी से कि आपके लिए एक अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट या एक अच्छी स्टोरी, एक अच्छी फिल्म कैसे बनती है. एंड बमन एक्चुअली पेन्स इट आउट फॉर यू गाइज कि अगर 100% की फिल्म है तो पहले 25% में आप ये करो, फिर उसके अगले 25% में आप प्रॉब्लम बताओ, फिर उसके अगले 25% में जब इंटरवल हो जाए, इंटरवल के बाद अगले 25% में आपको ये करना है, एंड देन उसके अगले 25% में ये करना है. ही लिटरली स्पेल्स इट आउट कि भाई आपकी स्क्रिप्ट का आर्क कैसे होना चाहिए. एंड ये मैंने रील पे देखा, मैंने पूरा पॉडकास्ट नहीं देखा. द थिंग इज कि मैं ये मूवी देखकर आ चुका था तब तक, एंड द मोमेंट आई सॉ दैट रील आई एम लाइक एग्जैक्टली उस मूवी में मुझे पहले सीन से लास्ट सीन तक इट वाज लाइक दिस.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Well,
yeah,
same.
I
I literally written that as a point.
इट मतलब इट वाज मोर लाइक कि तेरे चेहरे पे है ना स्माइल, हाँ रखियो इसको. गई वापस आ गई स्माइल, हाँ चलो ठीक है, अब 15 मिनट और स्माइल रहेगी. ऐसा लगा पिक्चर
So
देख के.
2 things, right? Like it doesn't follow the conventions of a sports movie. Like every
Yeah.
sports movie, like they said, ke,
Underdogs,
it has to have ups and downs till it gets to a point where the last match means so much.
Yeah.
In that doesn't come across. The
Also,
second
ये
thing
last
is-
match में भी उल्टा कर दिया इन लोग ने.
we'll come to the climax. But that last match में उल्टा करना I think makes sense here. But we'll
Made
come
sense.
to
But
that.
only
Yeah,
because the rest of the movie was this. If they had won also, it would be just another thing that they had won.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah, by the
spoiler
way,
alert.
we're gonna talk about spoilers if you haven't seen Sitare Zameen
Full
Par.
spoiler
We
alert.
should have mentioned this up top. That we're gonna talk full spoilers. Second thing is it's supposed to be a comedy. It's not ha funny,
Yeah.
but it's just there.
Yeah.
Some jokes. So I saw a little bit of the Spanish version also. I was very surprised to know that this film has a UA certificate. Sitare Zameen Par. I was like, UA certificate क्यों होगा? And I think the A is just for one joke where the word prostitute is mentioned. Okay. Now the Spanish version has the same scene, same joke. in that it is implied that the girl that this boy is seeing might actually be a prostitute. Okay. That's why the joke makes sense. Like when she comes to see his matches and all, they show her wearing stilettos or what. It's implied that she might actually be a prostitute.
Yeah, it's just a regular girl.
Here it's just for the
Yeah.
sake of saying the word prostitute. And the funniest thing happened, I'm watching the movie. My theater is full of kids. There's a family sitting behind. The moment he says prostitute, there's a kid behind me who turns to his dad like, Papa, what is prostitute? अब पापा obviously
he has to explain
जवाब
this
दे
way.
नहीं रहे, ठीक है, वो चुप बैठे हुए. फिर 2-3 लाइन और होती है, they make a joke about working women. तो बच्चा being बच्चा is going on.
Businesswoman, yeah.
पापा what prostitute क्या होता है? सुधा ना तुमने कहा ना working woman.
Businesswoman.
Businesswoman, yeah. So yeah.
Also, the thing is, ki, dude, like I could see the jokes coming from like a mile away.
Right.
Yeah.
You know, so
Yeah,
the prostitute joke as well.
Yeah.
Like the moment he said कि businesswoman बोलो, I knew कि अगली 2 line के बाद ये जिनीलिया की
वाला
business running पे
businesswoman,
joke
हाँ,
डालने
correct.
वाला है.
Yeah, sure.
Because it's gonna be that.
The censors, by the way, changed businesswoman to business person. In the,
Oh,
in
is
the
it really?
movie. They read up that.
अच्छा,
that line,
ठीक
yeah.
है. I think Lotus का नाम भी पहले कमल था, I
Kamal
guess,
tha,
and
which
उसको
was
Lotus
then
किया
renamed to
गया.
Lotus for
Yeah.
whatever reasons. But the one bright spark is just second half में towards
Yes.
the end जो reveal होता है कि आमिर की मम्मी जो हैं, जो
Yeah.
actually जो घर के is he a cook,
Daulat
is he a
Khan, I don't
caretaker,
know,
whatever
Daulat
he
ji,
is,
हाँ.
that there's an affair going on, and that confrontation scene
It's
was
funny.
It's
very
funny.
fun.
Very funny.
But
yeah.
but was he actually the caretaker, or she was just in a live-in relationship, and because she thought कि Amir won't approve, so she asked him to act as a caretaker till Amir was here.
We
Either
not been
way.
revealed. Not been revealed. Yet.
Not revealed.
Yeah.
Either
Revealed,
could,
yeah.
could be.
But,
either
No, but
way.
I think he's already there because वो पूछती है ना कि कब से चल रहा है, तो वो कहता है होली से, दिवाली से, you know, they try and map out कि कब से हम affair चल रहा है. So I think he's already in the
वही
house.
मैं कह रहा हूँ, हो सकता है लिव इन रिलेशनशिप
हाँ,
में रह
maybe,
रहे हो,
maybe,
and
probably.
and that's why she's too keen for Amir to leave.
Yeah.
Because apparently that would have been like his room.
Yeah,
Yeah.
correct. So then they wouldn't have to leave for a fake ashram.
Yeah,
apparently,
fake ashram.
That was very funny.
That
was very
whole
funny.
chunk is
But
very
again,
funny.
that was also right there. Like I could see it
Yeah.
coming.
No, I didn't see it coming.
Also,
Yeah, I
also,
didn't.
also,
I was
it's a very
taken
sad state of
aback.
affairs. If the funniest part of the movie is not to do with the main plot of the
Correct.
movie.
Yeah.
You know? So the movie definitely leaves more wanting. Also, not do Tare Zameen Par. If you say this is a spiritual
Oh, bro,
sequel,
there is no comparison to
for
Tare,
sure,
just
for
by
sure.
the way,
But
yeah.
even, chalo, Tare Zameen Par is like a difficult movie to match in terms of how good and impactful and whatever it is. Okay, dude, even music wise,
Oh.
Shankar Ehsaan Loy killed it in Tare Zameen Par.
Yes.
And how, dude?
Yeah.
Every song is epic. I don't think any song in this movie was that memorable.
Bro, there were only 2 songs.
There were
No,
three.
that's three, I think.
एक तो वो था
एक तो
Good
एक
for
romantic-
Nothing.
हाँ,
One good for nothing.
correct.
There's one
Think now.
sad romantic song between
Yeah.
Janelia and
Oh,
Amir
yes,
when
yeah,
they see
that
them.
one.
Two.
correct,
Yeah, I
correct.
And then
remember
one
only 2.
that calypso song, hey, la, 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 la,
नहीं,
yo,
वो-
जो
Oh,
ट्रेलर
जो
में
end में
बजा
आता है।
हाँ, end में फिल्म में भी है montage
पूरे
है।
आता रहता है
हाँ,
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 correct,
fair,
correct,
fair,
correct.
I think I have an answer for why this film is not even half as impactful as Tare Zameen Par. Tare Zameen Par was the story of Ishan Awasthi, the kid.
Yeah, correct.
This is the story of the coach.
हाँ.
That's why.
Again, मुझे
Yeah.
exactly the thing
Yeah.
is कि बच्चों का सारी स्टोरी वो करतार जी जो है वो ऐसे बता देते हैं.
हाँ.
Kartar, I thought Kartar could have been played by Nikunj from Tare Zameen Par. Like if he was the dean of this. Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah.
तो मतलब it left me wanting, and how, dude. Like I'll tell you. Okay, so I also want to talk about I want to talk about acting performances.
Yeah.
For some reason, I felt like Amir was mimicking the way
He does.
people mimic Amir.
Dude, firstly,
ठीक
what's
है,
with his
and
eyebrows, dude?
bro,
Why the
his
eyebrows
whole
always...
scratching his
Yeah,
head
Bro,
when he
and
learns
you know, I'll
something.
tell you what. So while I was watching the film, I was watching it with my sister and my mother, and I was watching, and I like literally, I think within the first 15 minutes, I turned to my sister and I'm like, ये ऐसे क्यों act कर रहा है जैसे सुनील ग्रोवर इसका mimicry उतार रहा है.
Yeah.
ठीक है. I watched the film. I come back. I'm sitting. A very good friend of mine जिसके बारे में आपको बता रहा था अभी. The friend that podcast के through जो friend बनी.
हाँ.
She also messaged जब उसने मूवी देखी उसने भी ऐसे यही सेम मैसेज किया कि why is he acting like how people mimic him.
Yeah.
And it is true because दो लोगों को मतलब अगर
Yeah.
I'm sure और लोगों को भी लगी होगी
Sure,
ये
yeah,
बात.
yeah.
so caricaturish. For some reason it felt so off-putting. अगर तो मुझे confusion और वो chopsy moment दिखाना है, why do I have to do this every time?
Every time, yeah. Correct.
Bro,
Every
it's like
time.
every time they show the scene between Amir and his mother, and they're like, "Mummy, ye, mummy, wo." I'm like, it's a 60-year-old man.
And there are high chances he and Dolly are of the same age.
Yeah, Dolly Ahuja. who
Dude,
plays the
his
mother.
sister is also in the movie. Amir's actual
Oh, yeah.
sister.
Really?
Yeah,
She
she
plays the
plays
mother of one of the
mother
kids.
of,
Gobind.
yeah,
What's his
yeah.
name? Hargobind.
Hargobind,
ki maa.
yes.
Yeah.
Plays-
Oh, can we talk about the Hargobind arc?
Okay,
Oh,
sorry.
bro, I really want to talk
Before
about
that, before we sound like negative Nancy's, I should say what I liked about the movie. The intention of the movie is genuinely good.
Dude, and the acting performances of
the
all the
actor-
kids.
The acting
Yeah.
performances of these kids, who many of them are acting for the first time,
Yeah.
they probably have not been
Yeah.
in front of the camera.
Yeah.
I would say Gurpal Singh was great also.
Gurpal Singh was great.
Yeah.
Even the
mother was great.
Mother and
Janila was good.
Janila, I have opinions.
Janila was
Janila
okay.
seemed very.
Bro, sorry,
she looked very beautiful.
I just checked the age. She's just 7 years elder to Amir.
Nice.
And he goes, "Mummy,
Mummy and such a caricaturish. अरे भाई.
And the Tingu joke is funny once.
Once.
When, in the first time when they make it.
And second it makes sense when they are putting up a premise.
Correct.
Ki why
Yeah,
Tingu
yeah,
and why like now you need to stand
Yeah.
up. Every 5 minutes you don't need to call
Yeah.
him Tingu.
Tengu. Yeah.
Anyway, Hargobind, I was coming to. I didn't get what the point of his arc was.
Same.
Okay, he's the star player of your team.
And the one match he plays, they lose.
Yeah,
That's true.
I'm like, they're not
Yeah.
losing without him. So why
Yeah.
is he so
Why is
essential?
he so important?
for the
Why
team?
does he wanted to come and play?
I again said the same thing to my mom and I was like, ये जब सही तो चल रहा है उनके पास ऑलरेडी उसका रिप्लेसमेंट है तो सही टीम के बीच मतलब टूर्नामेंट के बीच में तुमने रिप्लेसमेंट के
बोला।
साथ में ही वो वापस ले आए प्लेयर
Correct. Yeah.
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 एंड एक सेकेंड अगेन हरगोविंद के बारे में बात कर ही रहे हैं. हरगोविंद वाज अ वेरी बिग पॉइंट इन माय पॉइंटर्स. ठीक है, पहले सीन में जब हरगोविंद टीम के साथ खड़ा है, व्हाट आई गैदर्ड फ्रॉम दैट वाज कि उसको उम्मीद लगी होगी इस कोच से. कोच ने आके शैलो बातें करी. ही रियलाइज्ड कि भाई ये भी यूजलेस कोच है. उससे बॉल लेता है, बास्केट फेंक के उसको मुंह तोड़ जवाब देता है. वन, ये मुझे ये लगा कि फेथ लूज हुआ है, यहाँ पे साइड कर दिया इसको.
Right.
अब पूरी फिल्म के लिए हरगोविंद है ही नहीं कहीं पे.
बस दिखता है कभी
बैकग्राउंड में
हाँ.
बीच में कहीं तुम्हें बैठा हुआ दिख रहा है,
हाँ.
कहीं बास्केट डालते हुए दिख रहा है. सडनली जब टीम सेमीफाइनल्स जीतने वाली है, अचानक पासवान जी जो उसका एक्चुअल
Yeah,
कोच
yeah.
That also didn't make any sense.
Didn't make
his
any
his
sense.
turnaround
कहाँ
was
से आ गया वो?
a change of heart didn't make any sense.
अचानक से पासवान जी कैसे आ गए एंड पासवान जी उसको कैसे जानते हैं. ठीक है, उन्होंने बोला कि वो दिल्ली का सिल्वर
हाँ,
मेडलिस्ट
चल कुछ
वगैरह
तो, हाँ,
वगैरह.
हाँ.
बट हु इज टू से कि पासवान जी ने ही इसको कोच किया है. आरवी
चलो वो तो फिर भी ठीक है.
चलो मैंने मान लिया.
हाँ,
ठीक
चलो
है.
बास्केटबॉल
चलो
दोस्ती.
मान लिया मैंने. चलो ठीक है. उसके बाद ही सेज दिस डायलॉग, सिखा रहे हैं सीख जाएगा. अगेन डीपर मीनिंग की अभी तक इसको पता नहीं है कि हम ही इसको सिखा रहे हैं वगैरह वगैरह. ठीक है. एंड में वो उसके घर जाता है, उसको बोलता है टीम में.
I thought that it's a conspiracy.
हाँ.
कि इन दोनों ने
कि पासवान और इनने
जज से
मिलके
ये, हाँ,
एग्जैक्टली
हाँ.
बिकॉज उस डायलॉग के बाद आई वाज लाइक ओके दे विल बिल्ड दिस अप. कहीं पे तो इसका लॉजिक आएगा. टुवर्ड्स द एंड मैं मेडल नहीं जीता था, अब मेरे को एक मेडल चाहिए. मैं प्रॉमिस करता हूँ, मैं आपको यकीन दिलाता हूँ, मैं इसको मेडल दिलाऊंगा. मेडल भी नहीं दिलाया.
Dude,
और वो
also,
स्टोरी भी
the
खत्म हो
way-
गई.
The way he convinced the mother to let Hargobind play was also very.
Bro, again,
Such an easy thing.
saw
One
the joke
soft-
coming
Yeah.
from a mile.
Yeah, really, bro.
Bro, a random person in the theater said कि अरे वो उसकी माँ ही नहीं होगी
हाँ,
यार.
correct, yeah.
And literally 40 seconds later they're like, मेरी मम्मी तो ये है.
Yeah.
Yeah.
और फिर उसकी अपनी बहन को मम्मी जी बुला रहा है. In real life that's his sister.
हाँ, sister, yes.
मम्मी जी खेलने दो और
खेलने
उनको-
दो. मैंने तो इसे कभी मना ही नहीं किया.
Yes. Also, his sister was also Shah Rukh's
शाहरुख
adopted mother in Pathaan.
इन पठान
Adopted mother.
पठान नहीं जवान.
Jawan.
Jawan.
Adopted mother in Jawan.
Jawan.
Yeah, correct.
अच्छा, okay.
Oh, anyway.
फ्लैशबैक में है एक सीन.
Yeah. So exactly leaves a lot to be required.
Yeah.
And
there had to be an arc, dude. Like there had to be, and not only Amir's.
so you think the
Yeah.
movie would have been different had the main plot centered around the kids more, rather than like this guy could have been the incidental a person coach who comes in halfway through the movie or something.
What's the like Tare Zameen Par beat says you are introduced to Ishan. You see the hardships of his life through his eyes,
Yes.
and how he's struggling.
Exactly.
He has to go to a boarding school. He's lost all hope, and suddenly this one guy comes and he's like, now he gets it. Now I want to
Yes.
see how
Yes.
he helps out Ishan and into becoming what he becomes.
Yes.
There's also a little.
You could have shown the story of the center that these kids are playing in.
Yeah.
Gurpal Singh, this also narratively didn't make sense at all. कि वो टूर्नामेंट्स खेल रहे हैं, उनके पास खुद की बस है, वो चंडीगढ़ जा रहे हैं, यहाँ जा रहे हैं, वहाँ जा रहे हैं, फाइनल्स में बॉम्बे जाने के लिए उनके पास पैसे नहीं है. मैं तुम्हारे पास खुद की बस है, ड्राइव करके ले जाओ.
Exactly, dude. You're right. Yeah, yeah.
So you could have
Also, I thought maybe they just sell the bus.
yeah.
You don't have to scam a restaurant owner, dude.
that whole
But मेरे को
subplot
दाल मखनी खाने का मन कर गया.
जिसमें जेनेलिया बिकॉज शी इज एन एक्ट्रेस वो पुलिस बना के उसको ले जाता है
हाँ.
उस
वो तो मैं भी मैं मतलब ऐसे
Yeah, correct. That's crazy.
that was really weird.
Yeah.
But I was saying you could have shown the story of this activity center where the what happened.
Also, what's sad is after getting the money from the boss or whatever,
Yeah.
making them travel and all that.
Yeah.
After all of that, this guy has to go and work there again with
Oh,
the
does
same
he?
boss.
Do they
Yeah,
show
they
that
didn't
in the
quit or
end?
something. He doesn't quit. He still has that job. After all of that,
15 दिन की छुट्टी मिलती है
हाँ,
उसको.
15
वो
छुट्टी-
बोलता है,
छुट्टी
वो
पे है.
बोलता है 15 दिन की छुट्टी
He's happy
दी है
for
मुझे.
the
I think
छुट्टी.
it's implied कि अब उनको पता चल गया कि किसी बड़े पुलिस में किसी को जानता है, so they might not be as rude.
no.
वही मैं कह रहा हूँ भाई. There are
Everything
a
is
lot of
implied.
stories
yeah.
जो उन्होंने
Yeah.
gags की तरह पे pick किए but छोड़ दिए.
Yeah,
Dude, the
true.
biggest gripe, or at least like a huge glaring thing, is nowhere in the movie do they address the fact or address how they got the name Sitare, how the team is named
Yeah,
Sitare.
yes.
They could have easily made that into something. That could have been a big moment in the movie. They could have played off for humor, played off for various different names. Sitare, one of them suggests or whatever. You know, those poetic moments types. क्या होगा भाई दोनों फोन पे क्यों लगा
I
रहे
was, so what did you guys think of the interval point where Guddu's character where like he loves animals but because in childhood he almost drowned once.
Yeah.
He's
That was
scared of water.
very easily
So
gotten
yeah, I
over.
think it's
And good
not
CGI
bad, but
on a
it's-
rat.
It's too like I'm being told to like it.
Yes.
यार
By
मैं
the
वही कह रहा हूँ ना जो मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बोला पूरी पिक्चर में ऐसा लग रहा था तू स्माइल कर रहा है ना नहीं कर स्माइल कर हाँ अच्छा ठीक
Yeah,
है.
yeah.
And then
But
the
they
lift
did manage that smile, I must say.
They did manage it but
Yeah,
it
that's
was
what
a
I
very कि करो.
Yeah, that's true.
True, yeah.
What are you gonna do?
It
How
didn't
can you
feel,
not smile in that?
Didn't feel
Yeah.
earned. It's like
Yeah.
we are going along with it because
Like what else?
What else?
What else? You
Exactly.
cannot feel bad about it.
Yeah.
But then you are a horrible person if you're feeling bad about someone.
But what if you hate rats or something? You know, that's fine.
And the lift callback to that.
Oh bro,
bullshit.
This
This guy's
फिर से अटक जाता है और ट्रॉमा हो जाना चाहिए
Exactly.
उसको.
Yeah,
I'm
correct,
like, why
exactly,
am I
dude.
Even more scared.
मैं बच गया.
हाँ मैं बच गया से ट्रॉमा कैसे जा सकता है?
7वें फ्लोर पे पहुंच जाओ फिर ट्रॉमा ना हो. That makes sense.
Exactly वो अटक गया
मरते
and
मरते
then
बचे हो.
उसके बाद भी
Reinforce हो जाना चाहिए. Right.
वही तो कह रहा हूँ बढ़ जाना चाहिए ट्रॉमा उसके
Exactly,
बाद
dude.
तो उसको.
So stupid. But okay movie. Again,
No, should we talk about the? should we
हमारी बातों से लग रहा होगा वो बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आई.
we will talk about the
yeah.
things we liked, but before that, I want to talk about the ending. So the
Oh yeah, the
team loses.
Chichore like
Yeah.
ending.
the again like they do as much to build a 2-point deficit, so it all depends on that one final
Bro,
shot.
Again,
Also,
that
again, one more
shot
thing.
Also,
Exactly. Dude, the
from
entire movie-
First fucking scene, I knew that shot is gonna be a
Yeah,
decider.
of course. But dude, also the payoff is not there because the entire movie they've been making him miss that shot anyway.
Yeah.
No, so
The
here's-
payoff would have
here's
been
my-
him getting the shot.
No, the payoff. So it's because it's the story of the coach.
Yeah.
So the coach has to see them losing and see that they are.
See, you are also right, but he's also right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm like, would it have been better if that actually won?
No,
it?
no.
Then-
It wouldn't have been better if they actually won because that would have fed into the ego of the coach.
Correct,
जो कि
yeah,
आर्क
yeah.
से एकदम ही agree नहीं कर रहा
Correct,
है.
yeah.
लेकिन the shot that they chose was actually the shot that they were always making fun of
Yeah.
the entire film.
That's the only way it's
You know
redeeming.
what happened? पता है क्या होता? अगर मैं आपको बताता हूँ redeeming के बारे में अगर मैं बात करूँ तो वो शॉट एक्चुअली वो हिट कर देता. ये लोग मैं जस्ट ऑन द टॉप ऑफ माय माइंड बोल रहा हूँ.
वो
ठीक है?
celebrate करने
वो
लगते
हिट
हैं.
करता
हाँ.
नहीं हिट करता ये लोग इक्वल पे आ जाते
हाँ.
एंड देन एक शूट आउट टाइप होता एंड देन हरगोविंद मिस कर देता जिस पे उसको सबसे ज्यादा भरोसा था जिसको वो बेस्ट प्लेयर कहता था और जिसको वो स्पेशली टीम में लेकर आया वो मिस कर देता. तब उसका आर्क ज्यादा अच्छे से दिखता.
And then the rest of
This
them
would have been the hero moment.
Yeah,
उस बेचारे बच्चे का जिसको तुमने
खेलने भी नहीं
15 दिन
दिया.
का हाँ,
Correct.
पूरा टूर्नामेंट नहीं खेलने दिया
करेक्ट
तुमने उसको.
बेचारा इतना सैड फील कराया उसके लिए, रोज
I
बर्तन धोता रहता है
swear.
बेचारा.
so in the Hollywood version,
या
the same
बाकी
ending,
हॉलीवुड की.
same ending, they lose. Similar character, and again, I have not seen the movie. I read this on Wikipedia. He takes a shot, he misses it. Film ends in the same way. There's a post-credit scene where their version of Kareem's character is playing, but this time in the post-credit scene, among themselves, he hits the basket. Denoting that he's moving on and he's
gotten better.
gotten better
Yeah.
in some way. Yeah.
Okay.
तो उसमें ये
अगेन
है.
तुम सैड हो गए थे. हंसो. ये लो हंसो.
Dude, also I must say I didn't watch the last song that comes. Did you guys watch that?
Neither did
I
walked
did
out.
actually.
What happens? It's the गोद भराई बच्चा कर रहे हैं फालतू. What is the
No,
or is
it's
the
actually
marriage?
the marriage
of
and
the-
उसी में वो pregnant भी दिखा दी है.
अच्छा दिखा दिया है.
Oh, so it's
हाँ,
the
मुझे ये
marriage
लग
of
रहा था.
the mother
The mother and the
and
father.
the
Yeah.
मतलब
The दौलत जी.
दौलत जी and
And
she's
वो pregnant भी है.
Okay.
अच्छा.
और मुझे लगा पता है, so उसके अंदर गाने में एक सीक्वेंस है जहाँ पे they are waiting for the child to kick. तो I was like, यहाँ पे ये शायद all is well.
All is well. Bro, I didn't understand. I mean, again, one more. That part that दिल से दिल मिल गया, you know that part in the movie.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Where he said,
हाँ.
मेरा गाना, but उसका गाना नहीं
So-
है.
so-
नहीं है.
No, so the implication is that that's the song they make love to.
Yeah, okay, sure. But it could have been actually his
I
song.
know, I
no?
get it,
Yeah,
I get it.
exactly.
That
But
would have
there
been
are-
a
there
much
are
better joke.
Two other instances in the movie. Where in the very beginning, when he's getting drunk, they're playing "Why Did You Break My Heart?" Dil Mera Churaya Kyun? From Akele Hum Akele Tum.
Yes.
And when he's driving, they're playing "Bhag Di Ke Boss," which was also
हाँ.
really
Yes,
very
right.
And उन लोगों ने एक वो वर्जन भी तो किया ना, पापा कहते हैं, कभी तो एक
Yes,
दूसरा
हाँ,
वर्जन
वो भी
किया
किया
है.
है.
Yeah.
तो मुझे लगा कि हाँ
Hey,
मैं
it could be UA because of Bhagdi Ke Boss also.
yeah, probably.
Also like okay.
But I noticed, sorry, they don't play the DK post part. They just play the
that-
bhag.
that-
हाँ,
bhag- bhag.
हाँ. So again, one thing that I was not expecting a cameo or anything from Amir, because I was thinking कि ये story ही इतनी strong बना देगा cameo, but considering the film that he eventually made, एक दो cameo होते जो meta references होते तो
अच्छा ही
that would
होता,
have made
हाँ,
like
sure.
more like added to the film. So basically, so where I thought कि cameo आने वाला है was when he is actually giving the keys back to Kartar ji, and he says मुझे नहीं
एक
नीचे
coach-
अगले
एक coach wait
कोच को
कर
दे दो.
रहा है, हाँ.
तो I thought either it's gonna be Shahrukh because Shahrukh का इन्होंने एक BTS video डाला था, remember
Correct,
that
of course,
Shahrukh
yeah.
comes to meet
This-
the
yeah,
सितारे.
Yeah.
तो I thought कि या तो Shahrukh होगा, and again like not that tall in height, ठीक है. और I thought कि दर्शील होगा.
Yeah, that would have been good. Yeah.
Bro,
yeah, yeah.
I would have paid 100 rupees extra for a Darshil cameo in this.
Just for the sake of it.
Just for the sake of it. I really wanted Darshil in the film,
Yeah,
dude.
that should be
अगर
nice.
जैसे आपने 83 देखी है कपिल देव
हाँ,
8 उसमें कपिल देव का एक सीन है, कोई रेफरेंस नहीं है, वो शॉट मारता है, वो कैच करता है, ऑडियंस मेंबर बना हुआ है. ऐसा ही एक सीक्वेंस डालते ना दर्शील का. I
Why
would have
not?
been so thrilled.
Yeah.
He could have been the scorer in the
Just
basketball game.
just that.
Yeah. Correct.
Just probably
Still,
that.
still suffering from dyslexia. You know, just for the sake of it.
Also,
Nice.
like that guy, the store helper of Genelia,
Yeah, the Parsi dude.
the Parsi dude. Yes, he's actually very big in ads. Huh? He's done a
Yeah,
lot
yeah,
of
yeah,
ads,
yeah,
more
yeah,
than
yeah.
300 ads. That guy, he could have been that guy.
Why would I make a Darshil like a store helper, man?
Bro, just for the sake of a cameo,
Yeah,
that's it.
just for like some kind of a connection between the two.
Right,
yeah,
right.
That is not Aamir
that's
Khan.
pretty much it.
Yeah,
But
sure.
it would have really added to the experience because overall it was a very average-ish.
Wow, that would be awesome, huh? If you found out that Darshil grew, Ishan Awasthi grew up not following painting, became a basketball coach. A completely different arc.
he could have been the coach of any other team.
Yeah, I get that.
Like
yeah.
एक scene के लिए आता. That would have been it. Again, I think the emotional connectivity with Tare Zameen Par was very strong because we followed one journey from scratch till the end.
Dude, but also like there's also other factors. Like in the sense, it's very possible that Tare Zameen Par as a whole is just more relatable because all of us have seen those kind of parents, the cruel or the angry father.
Bro, क्या होता है ना?
It's a lot more.
So, the thing is, underdog story में ना you actually like you root for the underdog.
That's true. Yeah.
ठीक है, इस फिल्म में underdog था ही नहीं कोई.
So I
no,
get what he means.
but
No, there was
because
actually
like,
but by
again,
society standards,
again,
they are
like,
I
underdogs
again,
anyway.
but their
Because
fight was not with the society.
tonality is so feel
Yeah,
good
it's
that I don't want to mess at all. The bus scene where other people are getting irritated with them. I kept thinking, how far are they going
Yeah,
to go?
correct. Is
And
it-
I kept
yeah.
thinking, bro, the two versions of this that have been made, one in Spanish or Spain, one in America. I'm not saying that these two countries must be a heaven for disabled people or intellectually disabled people, but the accessibility and the helping hand must be a lot more than India.
For sure,
Bro,
yeah.
इंडिया
Yeah.
में बहुत हम थोड़ा बहुत थोड़ा नहीं बहुत पीछे हैं इन सब मामलों
भाई
में
बहुत
when it comes to
बहुत.
exactly when it comes to helping people who have disabilities or who have some sort of problems, so it makes so much sense to tell this story in India.
Yeah, 100%.
But you barely touch on it, right? You show it very, like I said, the tonality. And अगर I'm not saying
वो
कि
literally
रुला
एक
दो
ही
लोगों
scene है.
को, हाँ, और उसमें भी वो conveniently solve हो जाता है. Like,
Dude, also that was a perfect moment to have the speech rather than say it
Yeah,
for the end.
yeah.
Why say it for that end? At the end, it's forced because it looks like तुमने afterthought में वहाँ पे कुछ
Bro,
तो डालना
वही है
था,
ना, क्या
तो
होता
डाल
है ना,
दिया.
so, जब मैं थिएटर कर रहा था, एक्टिवली थिएटर जब कर रहा था, तो मेरा एक कन्वीनर था, उसने मेरे को एक बात बताई थी कि जब मैं स्क्रिप्ट में जब मैं एक्ट कर रहा हूँ ना, तो मुझे उसको स्क्रिप्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर मुझे सेम इमोशन एक्ट और रिसाइट दोनों करना पड़ रहा है, तो मेरा दोनों में से एक चीज वीक है. एंड दैट इज सच अ स्मार्ट एडवाइस या एक टीचिंग, बिकॉज Amir does exactly that in the last scene.
Yes.
He is trying to emote what he's feeling,
Yeah.
and he's also saying that.
yeah, he
Yeah,
spells
exactly
out
right.
He
every
spells
single
it
thing.
out.
Yeah.
So एक वो चीज थी. See, again, one thing that I really liked was the एकदम लास्ट सीन जो वो कोच से बात करते हुए जब वो अंदर भागता है,
हाँ.
उसमें मुझे लगा कि आमिर एक्चुअली एक्ट किया.
हाँ,
मुझे वो भी थोड़ा फोर्स लगा यार कि वो आंसू लाने की कोशिश कर रहा है.
मुझे मुझे सिर्फ एक वही ठीक लगा, वेयर ही वाज लाइक कि बाकी तो मुझे उसका बहुत कैरिकेचरिश लगा एक्टिंग.
Yeah. Sorry, just going back to the bus scene, what I meant to
Oh,
say was
sorry.
उस scene में हमको शर्म आनी चाहिए कि हम
हाँ.
एबल बॉडीड लोग जो हैं इस
हाँ.
तरह ट्रीट करते हैं, बट उसमें भी उन्होंने एक बहुत कॉमेडिक चीज लगा के
Angle
उसको
निकाल
सॉल्व
दिया.
करके खत्म कर दिया. So yeah, also one last thing, I'm sorry to say, but I think Amir and Janila have zero chemistry. There's not even a single scene where I bought them as a couple. I'm like,
ब्रो,
this is not
जेनिलिया वाज एक्चुअली, भाई कितनी गंदी बात है कि 1 घंटे बाद हम लोग फीमेल लीड के बारे
Bro,
में बात
interval
कर
तक
रहे
उसका
हैं.
सिर्फ एक scene
आई
है.
नो, बट एक्चुअली पता है, जेन्युइनली मैं बताऊं, शी वाज लाइक अ ब्रेथ ऑफ फ्रेश एयर टू
But bro,
मी.
like her dialogue did seem a little forced. Like
She
was
looked gorgeous. Her delivery
She
was
were,
terrible.
yeah, enunciating. She was a little bad.
I don't know, dude. I
Not
actually
great.
liked her presence on screen. I was so tired of seeing whatever whoever.
100%. Firstly, I'm glad they got Janelia and
Back,
not like some
dude.
fucking random young actress. or
Bro, I
something.
swear,
Bro, I
I've
was
been
thinking-
seeing these
Yeah.
people
Dude,
on
the
screen.
some
They've been
faceless actors, I
forced
don't know.
at us because
Correct.
एक तो वो act नहीं कर पा रहे हैं.
Correct, बिल्कुल.
एक सेकंड,
Yeah.
मैं actresses की बात
हाँ,
कर
मैं
रहा
बोला
हूँ.
किसकी बात कर रहा है?
नहीं, मैं
You're talking about the intellectually disabled.
No, dude. Are you mad?
I don't know the way you said
The usual actresses that are being thrown
100%.
at us.
Yeah.
Bro, but I kept thinking, what if you cast someone closer to Amir's age? Like, what if you cast like a Juhi Chawla or someone in
Bro,
this?
fine.
be awesome.
But then I thought
Awesome.
maybe Juhi Chawla would charge more money. Maybe Janelia is someone who comes in that budget
Yeah,
that they have.
could be,
Yeah.
possibly.
Bro, but then I don't think they were showing Amir to be like a 40, 45, 60,
Yeah.
50-year-old
I
man.
wanted to ask what age do you think he's playing? I was thinking like early 40s is what he's
Yeah, early
supposed
40s,
to be.
yeah.
He was not
40s,
playing
late
early
40s.
40s for me, for
Or
sure.
late 30s.
Late 30s,
No,
yeah.
no.
I like, bro, the thing is कि कैसे ना, मतलब
I
कैसे?
know, yeah. Yeah, he's somewhere either late 30s, early
Bro,
40s.
60 के लिए मस्त दिखता है पर बंदा यार. You have to say, Amir looks fucking dashing, bro. Killing it, bro. Killing it. That hairline, oh my god.
Yeah, very expensive patch.
Yeah,
What about some things that you did like in the movie?
That I did like?
Yeah.
Janelia,
Um,
the kids.
No, again, Gurpal Singh was every time
Gurpal
he was
was
on screen.
amazing.
Yeah.
Every time he was on screen, I was like very interested
Yes.
in the angle he would take to have a teachable moment.
That one
All of
scene
that.
where he's talking about chromosomes, I'm like, is this getting too preachy? But I'm like, no, there's no other way to do
Yeah,
this.
no,
Like,
it was
there's-
not
there's-
actually.
yeah,
It was very
yeah.
interesting to me.
Yeah,
It was
that's
not
fine.
preachy
Yeah,
at all.
yeah.
It was getting preachy when Amir was saying all these things.
Yeah,
correct,
Gurpal ji
yeah.
brought an earnestness to
Yeah.
the whole thing, which
very
was
natural,
very nice.
very natural.
And then that also in the bus scene, they also used that the cliche example of, oh, okay, somebody taught me this in this
हाँ,
way.
तो
I'll
मैं
try to
भी
do the same
आपको-
thing, but
आपको
it
ये
won't work.
बोलना है, हाँ.
Yeah, that's that that was also fine. What else did I like? I actually really
Bro,
liked
the
the
kids.
The kids were
The
good.
kids, yeah. The few
Yeah.
moments where your eyes well up is because of the
of
kids.
the kids,
Because
but they
are
don't
good.
really well up though. They could have done so much more to
मतलब
make
ये
it
they
proper
proper.
don't.
रुला
Yeah.
सकती थी ये
Yeah,
picture,
correct.
but
हाँ
वो भी
भाई,
दिक्कत-
But
मतलब
also, dude, okay, one
Bro,
more,
like
one thing.
I remember, like I'm just taking you back to that episode जहाँ पे हमने ट्रेलर देखा था. He was like, I'm scared कि किसी को मारना दे.
Bro, exactly. That's what I literally was going to say. One thing I did like, thank God, is I was prepared कि यार फालतू में ये माँ को मार देंगे या फिर बच्चों को, you know, they'll some disability based disease or something they'll give them, which will, like, you know, medical
Yeah.
complications, something that'll make us feel a certain way, which I was like really did not want, especially in a movie like this, because the entire movie, it's almost every scene you can go down that route. You know what I mean? Because somebody gets hurt, somebody does something happens, and you have to start feeling sad. I was like, I don't want this movie, which I'm glad they did not do.
But the thing is,
But that also again maintained the
Yeah,
flatness of the movie because
but
of that.
again, यार
Which again
कभी
was fucked.
कभी भी पूरे मूवी में stakes high हुए ही नहीं.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
कभी
true.
भी नहीं हुए.
How the hell, you know that match where they are playing with a team जहाँ पे एक बहुत ही मस्त player है.
हाँ हाँ.
And the way they win that match is Golu kicking that guy in the nuts.
I mean, that's played for laughs.
Played for laughs, but dude, you
Bro,
can't.
अगर ऐसे आप technicalities में
अगर
जाओगे
वैसा
तो
ही कोई
और
player
भी
है
चीज़ें हैं.
who's that good, you know, one player can dominate a court in basketball. You know, fucking Michael Jordan used to have 60 baskets in one match.
यार,
That's why.
यार
That's
ऐसे
how.
वही मैं कह रहा हूँ टेक्निकलिटीज पे जाएंगे तो उनका होम और अवे जर्सीज का कॉन्सेप्ट भी थोड़ा फक था.
वो भी थोड़ा.
हाँ, लाइक कि आप होम पे खेल रहे हैं तो आपने ब्लू पहनना है. लिटरली 15 मिनट का 10 मिनट का सीन है उसके ऊपर,
हाँ,
ब्लू
correct.
रेड
Red,
ब्लू
red,
रेड.
blue.
फिर उसके
मेरी
बाद जो
मम्मी
एंड में
बचाने की नहीं.
मोन्टाज दिखा रहा है, कहीं पे भी ब्लू, कहीं पे भी वाइट, कहीं पे भी रेड. But then again, these are little things which a perfectionist should know. But I guess it's fine. It's okay.
So,
That-
question: they're playing against able-bodied people, like
No.
Oh, they're playing against
Yeah.
other.
That's what I'm
intellectual
saying.
diseases.
So that's why there is no underdog in the film.
Right,
you
right,
are
right.
you are not so see.
Yeah.
You are rooting
Like-
for the team because you are being told the story of this team.
Correct.
That's
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
There is no underdog element to it.
Yeah.
कोच से किसी को इमोशनल अटैचमेंट नहीं है. वो दिल्ली का रैंडम लौंडा है जो नेशनल लेवल टीम कोच कर रहा है.
Correct.
उससे किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ता. अंडरडॉग स्टोरी सितारे की होनी चाहिए थी. जो कि तुमने अंडरडॉग एस्पेक्ट ही हटा दिया क्योंकि तुमने सितारे की जो टीम है उसका सोसाइटी से कॉन्फ्लिक्ट दिखाया ही नहीं कभी भी. फेस टू फेस कभी भी नहीं. सिर्फ डायलॉग्स में करतार जी के कैरेक्टर ने बार बार बोला.
Yeah. और
तो
सिर्फ
वो
बस
feel ही नहीं हुआ.
वो एक करीम वाला कैरेक्टर who just sees scrubbing.
Yeah. And again, 4 scenes. चारों में वो एक बर्तन साफ कर रहा है. That's it.
एक में झाड़ू भी कर रहा
एक में झाड़ू कर रहा था.
But I still like this movie more than Lal Singh Chaddha because
मतलब
that
sure.
movie didn't really work for me.
Like
Just left
KRK
But I
does
must-
not agree with you, but
Yeah, but
that's
also
fine.
Lal Singh Chaddha, I think Amir got to flex his acting muscle more in that. In this, he got to flex
no,
it less.
bro.
for
उसमें
sure.
उसका flex हुआ ही नहीं था.
Bro,
भाई.
उसमें
The muscle was atrophied, I'm
I know
sorry.
mine is the
No,
non-popular
I
take.
also like the film. I'm telling you, and I've
But-
seen Forrest Gump. I've
Yeah.
seen this. I
But-
liked the way they adapted it to India.
Oh,
ठीक है.
And it was way more ambitious.
Yeah.
Also, but Lal Singh Chaddha had more ups and downs, and
Exactly.
that,
For sure.
that
That's what
was
I'm
an
saying.
underdog.
Exactly.
movie. Yeah,
Exactly.
yeah, yeah.
That was an underdog film.
So I kept thinking of this only while watching Sitare, ke as compared to talking about the big three, Khan, Shah Rukh, Amir, and Salman, that Shah Rukh seems to have pivoted towards action, and Salman seems to not really care about his performances anymore. I'm like, ठीक है, okay. Intention-wise, Amir is still carrying that flag forward. But again, the last 3 Amir Khan production films that we've seen, Lal Singh Chaddha, Lapata Ladies, and now Sitare, I get the intention. They are not bad films, but they are very like they tend to be more mediocre for me than good.
Lapata was great.
Lapata, like I said in the very first episode, speaking of
Yeah,
one
yeah,
completing
correct.
1 year,
Yeah.
I had spoken about this in that episode that I don't get why people are saying it's that good. It's good. It's well done, but
I
it's
thought it's
not.
very, very well done.
Yeah, even I thought it
It
was a very
did
good
blow
film.
my mind away. It was fine. Lal Singh, I appreciate
Did you
the
watch it in
intent.
theatres, Laapata?
I did. I appreciated Lal Singh Chaddha's ambition, but again, it fell short of my expectation. Now, Sitare Zameen Par, like I said, very one note, very. I saw a bit of the Spanish version. It's almost a short-for-short remake.
Yeah.
Except for one interesting thing in the Spanish version, I haven't seen the full thing yet. But the mother also seems to be very ignorant of the intellectually disabled people. So
Oh,
she's
acha.
kind of laughing with the coach in some scenes.
Oh.
But in this, they seem to have given her a.
Also, dude, I don't get this. अगर रीमेक बना रहे हो तो शॉट बाय शॉट करने की जरूरत है
भाई
इतना
वही ना रीमेक और अडेप्टेशन में यही तो फर्क है जिसपे आमिर को लोग ट्रोल भी कर रहे थे
तो वही तो-
वेयर ही सेड कि तो फिर सारे शेक्सपियर के नाटक बैन हो जाने चाहिए
So I found out,
adaptation,
I don't know how true this is for Sitare Zameen Par, but I found this out from a friend of mine who works in theater, that in theater also they adapt a lot of foreign plays.
Yeah.
So it's in some of the cases, in many of the cases, it's contractually obligated that you can only change 10% or 12%.
fair
of-
I
yeah,
completely
yeah.
get that I completely get that तो but the example that he took was of Shakespeare
हाँ.
तो मतलब
Vishal Bhardwaj totally rewrote the
yeah so
language there,
adaptation या inspiration वो अलग चीज होती है and remake shot to shot अलग चीज होती है no doubt contractual agreements होते हैं you कि आप इतना ही कर सकते हो कुछ में आपको if you're adapting you actually have to do
stick
a word to word thing
Yeah.
वो राइटर से आपको ईमेल पे लिखित में लेना होता है बहुत सारे प्लेज आप लिटरली राइटर के अग्रीमेंट के बिना बोल भी नहीं सकते so there are a lot of things that come with it but then again when it comes to world cinema
Right.
and especially cinema which now has crossed boundaries
Yeah.
there I think
agree,
is
yeah.
a need to
yeah.
add your own spice to it
Like
for
I
that
said
matter.
कि हाँ अमेरिका और स्पेन में यहाँ से ज़्यादा वो मिलते होंगे यार उनको accessibility वाली चीज़ें
Exactly.
so then you have to adapt it
Yeah.
You
But
have to adapt,
for
yes.
example in the Woody Harrelson version जो हरगोविंद वाला character है in the Spanish version it's the same thing that he was he played in a team वो बोलता है ना एक उसमें कि मैंने ऐसी टीम में करा था जहाँ ज़्यादातर प्लेयर्स डिसेबल्ड थे भी नहीं
दो प्लेयर जो थे
हाँ,
उनका
हाँ.
झूठा सर्टिफिकेट
But in the Woody Harrelson version, Hargobind's character does not like the coach because he had a drunkard father.
the Hargobind had a
The
drunkard
Hargobind character had a drunkard father,
And
and
this
he
guy's a
knows this
drunkard.
coach has come here because he was
drinking,
sick
drink
or
driving.
drunk driving.
fair
So he's like, I don't like this guy. So that's a little change they did in that version. So I would have liked to see more changes like that in the Indian version,
yeah.
but we got what we got. You guys think this movie will grow in reputation as the years go
no
along?
I don't think so
I doubt यार
Because
क्योंकि
Lal Singh is getting a little bit of resurgence now. Where people
is
are
it?
like-
I think people
people
are
are
still
saying
hating
that people are very hard on it when it came out.
oh that they were for sure
that they were for sure
Yeah.
no doubt about it because when I also watched the film I was like okay I can see the things that irked people but
Right.
it's not
It's
as
that
bad.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
true.
We actually had an episode and we talked
Correct.
about it.
yeah
Yeah.
back in the day
yeah.
but yeah otherwise I would say is it a movie that you would recommend others to watch at least
For
Yes,
sure.
but
yeah.
keep your expectations low. And watch
like
it.
like yeah.
in theater
like,
or wait for OTT
there is no OTT.
OTT पता नहीं 6 महीने बाद आए शायद तो देख लो theater
But
में.
then again the thing is that you might not be missing out on a lot.
No, but then again, you know, the status is so bad in Hindi cinema right now
Yeah.
that we have to support any kind of cinema.
Like a ray
Oh,
of
okay,
hope.
then.
Yeah, any ray of hope.
so I think so this has not been a great year in terms of movies
Even last year was terrible.
yeah correct
2024
so
was
but
terrible.
up till now जितने आई हैं I think this is one of the better movies for sure
Yeah, but is
but
that
even
saying-
correct but it's
अभी
not
तक
doesn't
क्या
say
bar-
that-
आई
the
है
bar
ना.
is the ground.
correct
So,
yeah exactly but
Not even the ground.
But that's
dude.
what I'm
Like,
saying.
We literally last week we had Houseful fight.
that's what I'm saying the year is not going great in terms of movies because
Yeah.
if this is
I
you know
was
one of the
like-
good ones
जब मैं
this
theater
year
से बाहर निकला मैं सोचा was this actually as mediocre and I looked at Houseful Fam like yeah but last week this was playing in the theater.
And dude, I'll tell you, like I actually like I was speaking and I was speaking to like a bunch of people and one of them actually said कि bro at least Houseful 5 I was looking forward to the killer की killer कौन होगा यार इसमें तो मेरे को समझ ही नहीं आया कि मैं like what do I look forward
यहाँ
to
पे I wanted someone to be the killer but
It was like,
no one
कह रहा है,
killing
कह रहा है, the thing is कि मुझे पहले फ्रेम से समझ में आ गया था कि पिक्चर क्या
Exactly,
होने
yeah,
वाली है
it's-
at least in Houseful 5 I was like okay चलो ठीक है कुछ तो मुझे पता चलेगा through the like through the course of the film but again not to say that Houseful 5 was better
no,
than
compared to those two I would definitely say Sitare
Yeah.
is better.
those two what What's this?
between Houseful 5 and Sitare.
Oh yeah, yeah. हाँ, हाँ,
I thought you meant Houseful 5A and 5B.
So yeah,
But what are the other films that have come out this year, 2025?
that have been good.
Man, nothing comes to mind that stays with
Sikandar,
you.
Houseful 5, that's been the recent ones.
Badass Ravi Kumar.
Oh, that was the best
That was
one.
the best movie, yes.
That was the best one. Azad came out
Oh,
this
yeah.
year. Sky
आजाद में
Force.
कौन था?
रवीना टंडन की बेटी और अजय देवगन का भांजा. Wow, sorry.
Oh, Nadania came out this year.
Nadania came out this year. Yes.
Okay, please.
Yeah, we can like.
Oh,
shut
there's.
it.
I mean, I haven't seen it yet, but Amazon Prime Pick film has stolen जो लोग कह रहे हैं बड़ी
Oh,
अच्छी
the
है.
people are saying
Oh,
very good.
by the way, there is a movie that actually looks very interesting. Another movie that looks very interesting is starring Adarsh Gaurav and Shania Kapoor.
Oh yeah, the
It's-
creature one, no?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, when is
It looks
that
pretty
coming
good.
out?
What is it called?
Shania is having 3 releases this year, dude.
ऐसे कोई
प्यार
लंबा सा ही
में।
नाम है.
Yeah, but I've seen the trailer for this.
तू मैं तू ऐसे कुछ.
अरे
तो-
that's Kartik Aaryan.
क्या नाम है?
तू वो
तू मेरी,
कार्तिक-
मैं तेरा, मैं
हाँ,
तेरी, तू मेरा.
तू मेरा मैं तेरी मैं तेरा तू मेरी.
तुम मेरे
मैं तेरा
आदर्श
वही है
गौरव
exactly
से-
वही है.
Oh, अच्छा, okay.
आदर्श गौरव से याद आया सुपर बॉयज ऑफ मालेगांव भी आई थी इस साल, which
Oh,
is
yeah,
also
correct.
Yeah, which is
good,
fine, yes.
Correct, yeah,
which is not bad.
Yeah, yeah.
एक वो आ रही है आंखों की गुस्ताखियां शायद. That's also Shania and Vikrant Masse.
Whoa.
Oh,
Yeah.
Correct. Also Malik, we already talked
Malik,
about it.
yes, yes, yes.
Rajkumar Rao.
Rajkumar Rao has had a couple of films this year, right?
Stree 2
Bhul Chuk
इस साल
Maaf.
थी क्या?
Three
Stree
to
2 was
last
last
year.
year.
Bhul Chuk Maaf was this year.
And did
Bhul
he
Chuk
have
Maaf.
one more movie?
He had Toaster, a movie called Toaster.
वो
निकल
भी
गई?
आनी है.
आनी
Oh,
है,
he
हाँ.
had that one. विकी विद्या का वायरल
वो भी
वीडियो.
last
वो
year.
हाँ तो फिर
Bro, also
उसका-
Bhul Chuk Maaf, not terrible. Like
मैंने नहीं देखी
a
अभी
lot of the movie is
Okay.
fine, and then
Yeah,
the
I haven't
last,
seen it.
absolute last part, they fuck up.
But yeah, so far we're in June, half the year is gone.
Yeah, correct.
Not that
Uh,
many great movies.
हाँ आंखों की गुस्ताखियां is the Shania Kapoor one.
There are some good Hollywood movies coming out that I'm really excited for. The Superman movie.
Yeah, Superman's
I'm,
coming out.
I'm quite excited for that one. And उसी दिन एक और भी आ रही है, कोई तो बहुत मस्त लग रही है.
Acha.
या उसी महीने. Oh, the Fantastic Four, of course.
Fantastic Four is coming
Same- I
out.
think same day
a month
or same
from
month.
when we're recording.
Yeah, correct.
26th of
Yeah.
July.
So Fantastic Four can go either way because MCU कुछ
I
भी
think
कर
it'll
रहा है
be
आजकल.
good. I think it'll be good.
You think?
Yeah.
Superman, I think I have bigger
तू
hopes
या
on.
मैं आदर्श गौरव
तू या
and
मैं, Yeah.
Shania.
All right.
Any last thoughts about? Do you have any last thoughts about Sitare?
नहीं यार सही है देख लो क्या करें.
What do you think Amir should do next?
Not Ghajini too, bro.
I think he's up to Ghajini too
Bro,
now.
but boy, he's going down that superhero, whatever, the superstar route of action movies.
Also,
Which I'm
but
very tired of
I
anyway.
think this picked up, right? Sitare picked up over the weekend.
Oh yeah, first day
Yeah.
it was I think 10 CR.
Yeah.
Second day it was I think 20 of
But
sorts.
by
and
the end of the
third
weekend,
day
it was
like
30, 35
yeah.
something. Yeah.
I think they've crossed like 90 or 100.
Oh, you think it'll
CR.
cross 100?
They've already crossed.
You think it'll cross
Cross
100?
100?
Yeah, I
150?
think gross ओवरऑल मेरे ख्याल से पूरा दुनिया का मिला के.
Okay.
अब तो शायद पीके वीके वाले प्लेनेट पे भी थोड़ा व्यूअरशिप होगा इसका.
Okay, fair enough.
Also,
Yeah.
Amir ki films do really well in China. So
That's
whenever
true.
he releases in the Chinese market, this movie is gonna shoot up in
Yeah.
terms of collections for sure.
Dude, also, I was thinking, okay, just the final cap off of this
Yeah,
episode.
yeah.
कि तारे जमीन पर सितारे जमीन पर they could have had तारा पाजी Govinda Sanjay Dutt cameo would have been great. तारा पाजी
Bro, Govinda to is another
Cover.
rabbit hole at this point.
all right, at that rabbit hole point that brings us to the end of this
Oh,
episode.
sorry, just sorry. एक चीज मुझे rabbit से याद आ गई. There's this play called Red
Robert.
Rabbit, White Rabbit. Have you
Yeah, yeah,
have
I've
you
seen
have you heard of that?
I've
You've seen
the
it.
one with Gopal Dutt. Yeah.
You've seen it,
Yeah,
Red
yeah,
Rabbit.
yeah.
So there's this play called Red Rabbit, White Rabbit, where the actor. So if you've seen the play, you can never enact the play, and if you've enacted the play once, you can never do it
You
again.
can never do it again.
What does that mean?
The actor comes on stage and gets the script
Script.
on stage.
On the stage, and
And
you
they've
as a
never-
viewer also cannot, like, if you watched the play once, you cannot enact it
Because it's so
because you
complicated.
know what the script is.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I've seen it. I've seen the
Ha.
version with Gopal Dutt. So it was written originally by an Iranian playwright.
Okay.
I think either during the pandemic या कुछ तो ऐसा था, कुछ एक कर्फ्यू या था, कुछ तो चल रहा था तब ईरान में, and he wrote it during that time, and it's originally written in Persian. the English version has been performed the world over.
Yeah.
India में अब हिंदी और English दोनों
दोनों
version में
चल
होता
रहा
है.
है.
तो मैंने गोपाल दत्त का हिंदी वाला
Then
देखा
how
था.
does he not know the script beforehand?
If I tell you or I explain
Yeah.
it will not sound that great to you, but it is an experience.
Okay.
So whichever version you get, Nandita Das has done one version, Gopal
Yeah.
Dutt has
Yeah.
done a
A
version.
lot of actors have done a lot of
Yeah.
versions.
And the thing is कि वो बहुत टाइम तक चलेगा नहीं, क्योंकि एक्टर्स भी जब वो प्ले देख
हाँ.
लेते हैं तो फिर वो नहीं कर
वो
पाएंगे,
नहीं कर
क्योंकि उनको
सकते.
पता है
वो
क्या है.
स्टिपुलेशन है.
In if I had to give like a one line description, it's a conversation between an actor and an audience.
Yeah.
Yeah.
तो
So-
मतलब
So
आपको
stand-up comedy.
जो आपको स्क्रिप्ट मिलता है बेसिकली स्क्रिप्ट में ही आपके डायरेक्शंस लिखे हुए हैं.
Correct. Yeah.
So you have
But
to
they are
read that
pa-
live
but
on
they
stage.
are-
Yeah,
they are
you
part-
read that live on stage.
But it's part of the
Crazy.
play.
Yeah.
The directions are the part of the
Yeah.
play. Watch it and you'll understand.
amazing.
So,
Yeah.
Yeah.
But like if you watch it, you'll never be able to enact it. So if you ever plan to enact it, like if you want to act in it, then you cannot watch it.
Yeah.
Like now, both of us can never act a red rabbit,
Which
white
one
rabbit.
did you see?
Oh, मैंने बहुत पहले देखा था. I didn't see. It was not like a known
Acha,
film
okay.
actor.
Got it.
It was like a theater actor. I watched
Yeah,
it
that's
in
another
Delhi.
beautiful thing of it, that any actor can do it. Like
Yeah.
anybody who wants to do theater can do it.
It's just your version of
yeah.
Red Rabbit, White Rabbit.
Okay. Okay. Interesting.
है ना? Nice. Good piece of trivia.
The only-
Theater trivia.
The only rabbit I can think of is, अरे rabbit का क्या aim है नहीं? Right. Bring us to the end of that episode of Pop Conversation. My name is Antish Thakkar, joined by Abbas Momin and Snehal Aneja.
Anything
And
you guys want to
anything
plug?
else?
I want to plug something.
Oh yes, please, please.
Yeah, so my interview with Raghubir Yadav is out
Hey,
on the
nice.
comment section channel. The new season of Panchayat has just come out, so he's there to promote that. But we've talked about his whole life and his entire career. Very sweet guy, very entertaining guy, very good interview if I say so myself. Plus, please watch it. We'll put the description, the link in the description. But also, if you can check it out on the comment section.
Yeah,
channel.
this episode comes out on Friday. On the next day, like tomorrow, Saturday, I'm releasing an episode of that Filmy Game Show with Uruj Ashfaq and Sumaira Sheikh, which is one of, I swear to you,
Nice.
one of the best episodes of that show I've ever done, dude. It was
How
a
did you
laugh
get,
riot.
How did you get Uruj's dates? She's like so busy.
That's what I'm also. थोड़ा सा भाई अपना भी है. नहीं, Uruj is very sweet. She's just.
हाँ भाई,
how to be-
why हम hope करेंगे कोई pop conversation पे भी आ जाए as guest soon.
Yes, absolutely.
And
Buy memberships. Buy any tier that you like.
and bye bye.
Thank you so much.
Send in AMA questions.
Yes, send an AMA
We'll see
questions.
you next week.